Same thing. Let's say right in the center, you have the thyroid gland. So both the lobes are present, right? So we're going to talk about how this thyroid gland is going to drain. Now they're going to drain into corresponding internal jugular vein. So let's say this is the internal jugular vein on the right side. This internal jugular vein is going to combine with the subclavian vein. It combines with the subclavian vein together to form the brachiocephalic vein. The same is going to be present on the other side as well, right? So this is the internal jugular vein which is present on the left side. And it is also going to come and combine with the left subclavian artery. Together they are going to form the brachiocephalic vein, and together they are going to open into superior vena cava. So this is the orientation, right? Now there are three veins from which the thyroid gland is going to drain. The first one is going to be the superior thyroid vein. The second one is going to be your middle thyroid vein. This is also the superior thyroid vein. This happens to be the middle thyroid vein, and then you have the inferior thyroid vein. Now the peculiar part about the inferior thyroid vein, that the inferior thyroid vein of both the right and the left, the inferior thyroid vein of both the right and the left drains into left brachiocephalic vein. They drain into the left brachiocephalic vein, right? So for the sake of understanding, if I label them across, this happens to be the corresponding internal jugular vein. So this is your left internal jugular vein. This happens to be the right internal jugular vein. Now this is what we call it as the superior thyroid vein. This happens to be the middle thyroid vein, and this happens to be the inferior thyroid vein. Now all these three veins are going to drain the thyroid gland, and when they drain into the left brachiocephalic vein. This is the left brachiocephalic vein. This is the left subclavian vein. This is the right subclavian vein, and this happens to be the right brachiocephalic vein. And together they open into superior vena cava.